Hey guys, this is Calculus from. In this lesson, I'll be taking you through how to compute the total differential of a multivariable function. I have two problems to illustrate it to you. Please stay put seat, watch this video so you understand the flow. Make sure you subscribe if this is the first channel. So let's quickly. The very first one, which is equal to e to the power x squared y squared. And total differential means that you are going to differentiate with respect to each variable and you add. Okay. So you see that the z will be equal to the x plus y. Okay. So you have what you call the z over the x plus the z over the y. Short. So let's compare. Now differentiating this expression with respect to x, you realize that there is one x in an exponential function, another x in a trigonometric function, meaning that becomes a product rule, right? So let's differentiate this whilst maintaining this, plus you differentiate this while maintaining. So let's do the first one. Let's differentiate this with respect to x. With respect to x, the power x squared plus y squared. Only x becomes our subject of interest. Y is a constant, so it becomes 0. When I differentiate this, I'll get what 2x, right? So 2x will multiply e to the power x squared plus y squared. Then your tan 2x will come. Plus, now let's me differentiate this. Remember, you get what? When you differentiate this, you are going to get 2 sec squared x. Sorry, 2 sec squared 2x. Okay. So you should have these basic trig differentials in your mind. Okay. That the derivative of tan is what? Sec squared. Okay. So 2 sec squared 2x, right? Then your this function exponential part will come because you will not touch that. That's product rule. So all this is for the dx. So you introduce your dx here plus. Now let's do for the dy. You realize that since there is no y term here for the dy, this whole function is considered as 1. Okay. So I differentiate my expression with respect to y. And you realize that when I differentiate here with respect to y, what do I get? It's 2y. X remains 0 because it's a constant. Okay. So 2y will multiply. I have my 2y multiply the expression e to the power x squared plus y squared, right? Then you have your tan 2x, which is also a constant, are still multiplying, so touch. So our final dz is going to be 2x e to the power x squared plus y squared and 2x, right? Plus have your 2 multiplying e to the power x squared plus y squared, sec squared of 2x, right? Everything dx plus open bracket, you have 2y e to the power x squared plus y squared, then multiplying tan y. As simple as that. So this is the total differential of this particular function given. Z is equal to this dx plus this dy. Let's check the second one. For the b part, I have u is equal to e cubed r to the power 6 over s squared. How do we solve this? So you have du equal to dt plus dr plus, as simple as that. So our du will be equal to, let's differentiate it with respect to t. With respect to 2, everything becomes a constant. So 3t squared, right? 3t squared multiplying r to the power 6 over x squared, right, till dt plus, with respect to r, 6 r to the power 5 t cubed over x squared r plus with respect to s, that is 1 over what? S squared, right? So I have my t cubed. When I differentiate 1 over s squared, that's s to the power negative 2. I have what? Negative 2 s to the power negative 3, right? So I end up getting negative 2. So this is what I'm saying. I'll have my t cubed r to the power 6 times negative 2 over s to the power 3. That is going to give us, so that is for the ds, right? So our du finally will be equal to 3t squared r to the power 6 over s squared t plus 6 r to the power 5 t over s squared r plus t r to the power 6. So I'll write minus 2 5 to the power 6. So that is the total differential here. And that is what I have for you in this lesson. Please do well to subscribe, share, then you like.